Hello, and thank you for listening. In this recording, I'd like to explain how to fill out a document that is required when you file your income tax return in Japan, especially if you were considered a non-permanent resident during part of the year. I'll walk you through what this document is for, how to fill out a specific part of it, and some important things to keep in mind. So, when you file your Japanese tax return and you were considered a non-permanent resident for part of that year, you are required to attach a form called the confirmation of the type of resident status. This form helps the tax office understand your residency status and what portion of your income should be taxed in Japan. You need to include information such as your nationality and the periods when you had an address or a place to stay in Japan. In this explanation, I'll focus on how to fill out one important part of that form, the section where you confirm the periods you lived in Japan during the past 10 years. Now, how can you check the periods when you lived in Japan? If you still have your passport from those years, you can use the entry and exit stamps to confirm the dates you arrived and left the country. When calculating the period of your stay, here's one important rule. You do not count the day you arrived in Japan. The calculation starts from the next day. For example, let's say you entered Japan on April 20th, 2015 and left on March 19th, 2018. In that case, the count starts on April 21st, 2015. From April 21st, 2015 to February 20th, 2018 is 2 years and 10 months. Then, from February 21st to March 19th, 2018 is 27 days. So in total, you would write 2 years, 10 months, and 27 days. If you entered and left Japan more than once in the past 10 years, you need to calculate each stay separately, then add up all the periods, the years, months, and days. When adding days and months together, keep this in mind. 30 days make 1 month, and 12 months make 1 year. The total period you calculate will be used to help determine your residency status for tax purposes. By the way, if you prefer not to calculate everything in detail, you can simply attach a copy of the relevant pages of your passport that show your entry and exit stamps. This can also be used to confirm your stay in Japan. That's all for today's explanation. I hope this helped you better understand how to fill out the form and calculate your periods of residence in Japan. Thank you very much for listening.